the opening. I'm not used to doing the opening deck with the HRs. I'm used to doing the opening dance number, unless you want it. No, but I'm from Radlink, and today I'm gonna talk about health on demand, employee well-being. So I'm from Radlink, that's under Fullerton Health from Singapore. I'm also a corporate wellness coach by Wellness Council of America, and I am also part of many organizations. I'm also a Pound fitness instructor, so if you need one for mental wellness, we can make some noise. I'm also an author, alternative TV host, and a sustainable upcycling artist. So this is one of my products. Okay, so just more on the numbers. I've been working in healthcare industry for the last 3 decades. Actually, more than 3 decades. And I'm married for, actually it's 37. My sales and marketing wasn't able to update it. 37 with the same man. 4 children, now grown-ups. I'm a grandmom of 5. Wow, that's what I want to hear. That's why I always put this number, Richard. So I'm 58 years old, and my waistline is 27. And then that's it. So why am I saying this? Because you can be 58 like me and still very energetic. I actually retired 2 times. But I went back to join Fullerton Health Group because I felt I still have the energy because I'm healthy. So the call to action this morning or today is reimagine well-being as a lifestyle, as a work practice. It's not a nice to have, it's a must have. Okay, so I'm sure a lot of HRs right here can relate. The top trends and challenges, one of them, or some of them, diversity, inclusion, AI, and automation, but I'd rather focus on humanizing the workplace through wellness. So again, let's take a look at the best strategy, taking care of your employees' well-being. So it's not about I'm working for this company. It should be I am working with this company because I'm a significant player, I'm a significant contributor. It has to be more empowering right now. We need more empowered, networked employees. And as a company, we need to be more agile and flexible. And most HRs will agree with me, and that is the trend. So let's take a look at the 8 dimensions of wellness. So we have to make sure that we cover everything when it comes to strategizing and taking care of your employees. Yeah, even financial wellness. Does it mean you will give them increase? Not necessarily. But at least take a look at how you can help in terms of making them healthy in different aspects. Okay, so if you're thinking of a wellness program, please start it, but just some pointers, it has to be holistic. Zumba is not a wellness program. It's just one of the activities that you can do to really engage your employees. It has to be well thought of, designed according to your employees or company profile. Deep-rooted, meaning from the CEOs, from the HRs, it has to be, there has to be ownership. You don't just delegate it to someone. It has to be engaging and impactful. It has to be inspiring so that they can change their lifestyle, and sustainable because you need to measure the ROI and tell your boss there's lesser absenteeism, better engagement, better productivity, and all. And of course, you need to assign co-champions. There's a very interesting study that I read. 58% of the employees said they want hybrid, and it has affected their productivity. So very simple. But most HR will say, no, it will all go back to 5-day work week. Why? Me, I don't need to see their faces, I need the output. So maybe we can take a look at this one. We don't need their faces in the office, we need productivity. Another alarming study from McKinsey, 82% of workers that have been diagnosed for mental illness will not tell anyone. And they will just simply resign. Okay, so let's take a look at what we can do. Before, it's all about DOLE compliance. Before, it's all about just giving the government mandates. Basic 5 APE, that's it. HMO, that's it. Now you need to be relevant. You need to be more creative in terms of making benefits and engaging every single employee in the company. So challenging, right? Why do I have to do that? That is the situation. Okay, so before, let's just manage the cost and let's move on. Now, employees are ensuring overall wellness of their workforce, including financial, including spiritual. I'd like to highlight the personalized support during moments that matter. We need to be there when they need us. So does it mean I have to get counselors? You have to, that's why we're here. You can listen to some of the esteemed speakers and they will tell you how to make use of automation or the AI. Technology and partnership is crucial. So, we need more empathic leaders. This is for free. Doesn't cost you anything. You just need to be kind. Empathic leaders, bully-free workplace. Everyone is good. None of us is better than all of us. Do you agree? We're all good. KPIs and appraisal, they should know where they are, how they're doing, and they should get a raise or incentive accordingly. Then open communication is very important. You can also try movement therapy, like dancing 10 o'clock in the morning and 3 o'clock in the afternoon, just to break the routine. And a lot of things. So, it has to be two-way. The accountability belongs to both the employer and the employee. Okay, now, why are we here? We're here to learn and network, right? All of us here can work with each other and bring the best output. And here I'd like to emphasize that one of your roles is to make sure you know what's happening out there and you can bring it to the table. And you know what's good thing? The Singapore model is now in BGC. You don't need to go to SG. We have here the first ever in the country executive health screening. Gone are the days when you will have to go to the hospital and have your checkup with the sick people. There's a dedicated place for you now. Safer, more comfortable, and that brings you preventive care at the forefront. So this is what we offer. Private space, faster turnaround time, personalized care. You can easily book your appointment and finish your test in 2 to 3 hours and get a very comprehensive report that is life-changing because you will understand the numbers. And your lifestyle doctor will be able to explain it to you further. So, are you now interested to have a checkup? Scared? That's why we have this. Okay. We are offering this for free. This is 30-minute to 1 hour session. One of the speakers is here. Also an HR practitioner for many years and now she is into consulting. We give this for free to be able to tell everyone the essence, the value of preventive care. So just contact us if you need anything. And wait, there's more. We're offering free overnight stay for those who will book within August, but because I love Richard and Rebecca, so this will be extended for all the HR forum participants. So for every purchase, you will get a free overnight stay in one of the best spas in Tagaytay. So now you're interested. Making health more sexy and attractive. So if you need my help, I'm just right here. I'll be staying until 12 o'clock. Thank you very much and let's break a leg. Thank you.